हेलो स्टूडेंट्स एंड पेरेंट्स। तो आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं सोर्सेस ऑफ हिस्ट्री के क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो इसमें पहले हम इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स देख लेते हैं। सोर्सेस ऑफ हिस्ट्री, ए नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट यूज्ड बाय आवर ancestors still exists. Some inscription from past have been recovered. These sources help us to understand history. The customs and traditional folk arts and folk literature and historical documents help us to understand history. All these are known as the sources of history. These are: first point is material sources, second point is written sources, and third point is oral sources. Material sources: the artifacts, article, monuments or their runs are called material sources of history. Written sources: in the Stone Age, people have recorded many events and expressed emotion in painting and rocks. Later, men used symbols and signs to record used thoughts. Thousands of years later, script was developed. In the beginning, men wrote on potsherds and baked bricks by using pointed objects. He also used Bhojpatra, bark of birch tree to write. As man's knowledge and experience increased, he began to use various forms of writing. The proceedings in the royal court were recorded in writing. The edicts, decrees, and decrees of king were inscribed on stone or copper plates. Many forms of literature developed, such as poetry, playbooks on social and religious syllabus, religious and scientific writing developed. All these together from the written source of history. Oral sources: always folk song, folk tales and similar literature are passed on from generation to generation by word of mouth. The author of this unwritten literature is unknown. Literature preserved by oral tradition is the oral sources of history. Sources of ancient Indian history. We have a large number of material, written and oral sources of ancient Indian history. Material sources are artifact and structural remains. The written sources include the stone inscription, copper plates, Harappan seals, Vedic literature, Jain and Buddhist religious texts, religious of the foreigners, literally and non-literally works. Vedic Jain Buddhist literature, which was earlier in oral form, is now available in written form. However, the tradition of rote continues. Precautions to be taken while writing history. It is necessary to take precaution while using these sources to write history. These precautions are critical examination of written documents, cross-checking of conclusions from various sources. Now, there is question answer. Written practice classwork, homework. Select the appropriate alternatives and complete the following sentence. First is, it took thousands of years for a script to develop. There are options: script, painting, symbols. Second is, the Stone Age man expressed his emotion in rock painting. Option are poem, sculpture, rock painting. So answer is rock painting. Third is, we learn about the Stone Age period of Indian history through. Option are folk songs, archaeological excavations, stone inscription. So answer is archaeological excavation. Fourth is, men also use Bhojpatra for writing in ancient India. Fill in the blanks. We learn about the Stone Age period of the Indian history. Archaeological excavation. We learn about the diet of people from the remain of food grain seeds and bones of animal found in excavations. Folk tales form a part of the oral of history. Literally, intelli man used pointed object or writing. Match the following. Group A, Group B. Answer is there. Material sources. Answer caves. Written sources. Answer deeds. Oral sources. Folk songs. Classify the following sources of into material sources, written sources and oral sources. यहाँ पे कुछ आपको पॉइंट दिए गए हैं तो आपको इसमें से सेलेक्ट करना है कि कौन ओरल सोर्सेस कौन सा होता है, कौन सा मटेरियल सोर्सेस होता है और कौन सा रिटर्न सोर्सेस होता है. तो मटेरियल सोर्सेस कौन सा है? पोट्री, ब्रिड, कॉइन, स्तूपा. राइटन सोर्सेस कौन सा है? कॉपर, प्लेट्स, रेव, लोथ्स, इंस्क्रिप्शन, वैदिक, लिटरेचर, पुराण्स. और ओरल सोर्सेस कौन सा है? फोक सॉन्ग, टेल्स, ओविस. तो ये हुए हमारे क्वेश्चन आंसर में. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, मैच द फॉलोइंग, मैच द पेयर्स एंड कंप्लीट द अल्टरनेटिव सेंटेंस. आगे बढ़ते हैं. What will you do when the following situation arises? You have found an old coin. Option A, keep it with yourself, give it your parents, give it to a museum. आंसर होगा give it to a museum. When you visit a museum, will handle articles in the museum, will collect information about articles, we will play on the lawn in front of the museum. Answer is will collect information about articles. Answer the following. What materials are used for writing in the past? Answer is intelli man used pointed object to write and pots and baked bricks and bhujpatra. Next question. What information is obtained from the Vedic literature? Answer is we get information about the history of ancient India for the period from 500 BC onwards from the Vedic. Third question. Which literature was preserved by oral tradition? Answer is the folk tales, the folk song, the Ovis as well as the early Vedic, Jain, Buddhist literature was preserved by oral tradition. What method was used by men to preserve record prior to the development of the script? Answer is prior to the development of script, men used signs and symbols to preserve records. Which period is regarded to as the ancient India period in history? The answer is the period from the Stone Age to the 8th century is regarded as the ancient India period in history. आगे बढ़ते हैं आंसर द फॉलोइंग की ओर. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन ब्रीफ. व्हाट इंफॉर्मेशन डू वी गेट फ्रॉम द मटेरियल सोर्सेज? इसमें हमसे पूछा है कि मटेरियल सोर्सेज के बारे में हम इंफॉर्मेशन यानी सूचना कैसे मिलेगी. तो आंसर इज द आर्टफैक्ट्स लाइक अर्दन पॉट्स एंड द ऑर्नामेंट्स, द लाइट ऑन सोशल रिलेशनशिप. सेकेंड पॉइंट, फ्रॉम द रिमेन्स ऑफ द फूड ग्रेन सीड्स एंड बोन्स ऑफ एनिमल्स we get information of the food habits. Third point, the remains of the houses and buildings. The remains of the houses and buildings indicate the period during which these were built. The coins and seeds give information about the economic activities and progress made by mankind. देख लीजिए स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इंफॉर्मेशन डू वी गेट फ्रॉम द मटेरियल सोर्सेस। आंसर यहाँ पे लिख दिया है, 4 पॉइंट में आंसर आएगा इसका, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ। आगे बढ़ते हैं। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, स्टेट द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ राइटिंग दैट इन्वॉल्व्ड आफ्टर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ स्क्रिप्ट। आंसर इज द ओरल सोर्सेस इंक्लूड कंपोजिशंस that are passed on from one generation to next generation to the next by way of information and preserved by rote learning। फिर से देखिए, फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज द oral sources include composition that are passed on from one generation to the next by way of information and preserved by rote learning। Second point is the social custom and traditions are also passed on from one generation to the next generation। Third point is these compositions, custom and trading are not in the written form। Fourth point is however some and literature acquired written form subsequently। Question is state the different types of writing that evolved after the development of script। तो यहाँ पे भी इसके 4 पॉइंट है इस क्वेश्चन के भी, ये देखिए ध्यान से यहाँ पे लिखा गया है। या आगे बढ़ते हैं। थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज स्टेट द सोर्सेस ऑफ हिस्ट्री एंशिएंट इंडिया। फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज ड्यूरिंग द स्टोन एज मैन रिकॉर्डेड इवेंट्स एंड expressed emotions in the form of cave paintings। Second point is in the Neo-Stone Age, man used signs and symbols to keep and preserve records। Apply thousands of years, man acquired script and the art of writing। Fourth point is in Delhi, he used pointed object to write on potsherd, unbaked bricks and भोजपत्र। फिर से देख लीजिए इस आंसर को ध्यान से। क्वेश्चन इज स्टेट द सोर्सेस ऑफ हिस्ट्री ऑफ एंशिएंट इंडिया। बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर। व्हाट प्रिकॉशन शुड बी टेकन व्हाइल राइटिंग हिस्ट्री। आंसर इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज टू ascertain the authenticity of the writing documents as to who wrote it, why and when it was written। Second point, to cross check the consultation and corroborate the sources। फिर से देखिए, what precautions should be taken while writing history। कौन से वो प्रिकॉशन यूज़ करते थे जब उन्होंने इतिहास लिखा था। आंसर इज टू ascertain the authenticity of the written documents as to who wrote it, why and when it was written। To cross check the consultations and corroborate the sources। ये है ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चन। व्हाट इंफॉर्मेशन विल कलेक्ट यू विजिट ए रिलीजियस प्लेस इन योर लोकेलिटी। आंसर इज आफ्टर विजिटिंग हिंदू टेम्पल, मॉस्क्यू चर्च इन माई लोकेलिटी, आई विल कलेक्ट द फॉलोइंग इंफॉर्मेशन। हु बिल्ट दिस प्लेस एंड व्हेन। सेकेंड पॉइंट, द डायमेंशंस एंड द architecture style। Third point is whose ideal his place in case of temple। Fourth point is what material is used to make this ideal। 5 point is which items are in day-to-day use in this place. 6th point is what is the method of worship, and 7th point is what is the present condition of the place. ये हो गए हमारे आंसर द फॉलोइंग ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चन। तो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमने सोर्सेस ऑफ हिस्ट्री के क्वेश्चन आंसर देखे हैं। तो आई होप आपको समझ में आया होगा। चैनल पर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए। शेयर और सब्सक्राइब के कोई चार्जेस नहीं होते स्टूडेंट्स। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग सेल्फ स्टडीज। टेक केयर स्टूडेंट्स।